I see you're having some roofing problems. And I know you're tired of having odd characters on your roof to do repairs, causing a bigger mess.
Then call Chicon Services, your one-stop shop for all your household needs. Chicon Services, your dream is our reality.
Once again, on my way to check out a roof with possible leaking problem. It's a fiberglass roof, and I'm about 15 minutes away. As soon as we reach, we'll see what's happening. Okay, so I'm on top of the roof. It's fairly a new roof. This is what it looks like. So we have fiberglass shingles on top of the roof. Now we have leaking in these areas here. Right? These are the areas that are troubled with leaking. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lay a compound over that, but first we have to take up all of that shingle, right, and get to the matted material underneath it. And this is where we've taken off the skylight, right, and now we're going to just ease these shingles up so we can get to the nails to ease out these shingles and relay them. Okay, now this area here, this is where we have the water going in. If you notice, all of this is a different color from the original membrane. Plus we have watermarks under all of this here. So this area here is where we have proof of water entering the building. I'm going to pull this off as well and see if we get any further marks down below. So far on this side is okay. This side has not been touched by water, right? But you don't have the acidic white that the water normally leaves. Right here now, this is a trace of the water. Now, as you can see, we have laid at least 3 coats of waterproofing membrane around the vent, so we won't have any more water seeping in through these joints. So what it will do is we'll just take the flow of water and going around, following the gravity, going down to the ground, and that should solve our leaking problem. Now, to complete the job, I will recover the roof using once again the fiberglass shingle.